Have you ever noticed your cat acting different? Maybe they became quieter. Maybe they hid under the bed. Or maybe out of nowhere, they became extra affectionate. For many cat owners, these changes feel confusing, even scary. And sometimes we don't realize what they mean until it's too late. Today, we're talking about what cats often do before they die, the subtle signs, the emotional behaviors, and what your cat might be trying to tell you in their final days. This video isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to help you understand, prepare, and most importantly, be there for your cat when they need you the most. So if you love cats, or you've ever lost one, stay with me. 1. Cats instinctively hide when they're near death. One of the most common and heartbreaking things cats do before they die is hide. You might find your cat under the bed, inside a closet, behind furniture, in places they've never gone before. This isn't because they're angry or don't trust you. In the wild, cats hide when they're weak or dying to avoid predators, protect themselves, pass away peacefully without drawing attention. Even indoor cats still have this instinct. What this means for owners: if your normally social cat suddenly isolates themselves, it could be a sign that something is seriously wrong. 2. Changes in eating and drinking. Another major sign is a loss of appetite. Before dying, many cats stop eating entirely, drink very little water, sniff food but walk away, lose weight rapidly. This happens because their body is slowly shutting down. Digesting food becomes uncomfortable or painful. Important note: skipping one meal isn't always serious. But skipping food for more than 24 hours, especially in older cats, is a red flag. 3. Extreme fatigue and sleeping more than usual. Cats sleep a lot, but dying cats sleep much more than normal. You may notice very little movement, trouble standing or jumping, weak legs, long, deep sleep sessions. Their body is conserving energy because it simply doesn't have much left. Sometimes they won't even respond when you call their name. This is often one of the hardest things for owners to witness. 4. Changes in breathing and body temperature. As a cat approaches death, physical changes become more noticeable. Common signs include slow or labor breathing, shallow breaths, mouth breathing, very serious for cats, cold ears, paws, or tail. Their circulation weakens and oxygen levels drop. If you notice breathing changes, contact a vet immediately. Even if death is near, comfort care matters. 5. Unusual affection or sudden clinginess. This part surprises many people. Some cats, especially independent ones, become extremely affectionate before they die. They may follow you everywhere, sit on your lap constantly, sleep beside you, purr more than usual. Why? No one knows for sure, but many believe cats seek comfort, safety, and familiarity during their final moments. For many owners, this becomes a bittersweet memory. 6. Vocal changes and confusion. Dying cats sometimes act confused or disoriented. You may notice meowing more or less than usual, strange, weak sounds, staring into space, walking into walls or corners. This can be caused by pain, organ failure, low oxygen, neurological issues. If your cat seems confused or distressed, Gentle reassurance and a calm environment can help. 7. Grooming stops or becomes excessive. Healthy cats groom constantly. Before death, grooming habits change. Some cats stop grooming entirely. Others overgroom one area, sometimes due to pain. A scruffy, unkempt coat in a cat that normally cleans itself is often a serious sign. 8. The final hours, what owners often notice. In the final hours or days, cats may lie on one side for long periods, stop responding to touch, have involuntary muscle movements, lose bladder or bowel control. This can be deeply emotional to witness, but is a natural part of the process. If your cat is at this stage, the most important thing you can do is be present. Talk softly. Touch gently. Let them know they're not alone. 9. Should you stay with your cat when they die? Many owners ask this question. There's no right answer. But if you can, stay calm. Provide comfort. Be emotionally present. Your presence can be incredibly reassuring to your cat. For some cats, just knowing you're there is enough. 10. Afterthoughts. Love, not guilt. After a cat passes, many owners feel guilt. I should have noticed sooner. I should have done more. I wasn't there. But here's the truth. If you loved your cat, if you cared for them, if you did the best you could with what you knew, that was enough. Cats don't measure love in perfection. They measure it in presence. If this video helped you understand your cat better or brought you comfort, please consider liking and subscribing. And if you've lost a cat, feel free to share their name in the comments. Sometimes, remembering them together makes the loss a little lighter. Thank you for watching, and give your cat an extra hug today.